Hey everyone, let's talk about how to get the most out of your Freshdesk free plan without hitting its limits or needing to upgrade. First, manage your agent count. The free plan supports up to 10 agents. Only add active support teammates. For occasional helpers, use a shared login for a single agent seat instead of creating separate accounts. Second, smartly use your 500 MB file storage. Avoid uploading large files directly. Instead, upload files to Google Drive or Dropbox and share the link in your ticket replies. This saves your storage for essential items. Third, master canned responses. Since automation is limited, create a robust library of canned responses for every common question and scenario. This mimics automation by letting you insert full, accurate replies with 2 clicks. Fourth, use the group feature to organize tickets by type, like billing or tech support, even with a small team. This helps with manual triage and reporting without needing complex automation rules. Fifth, clean your data regularly. Go to admin, then tickets, and permanently delete old, resolved spam tickets. This keeps your ticket count manageable and your view focused on active issues. Finally, leverage the free portal. Customize it fully with your branding and a knowledge base. Direct customers there to find answers themselves, deflecting simple tickets before they're created. And that's it. Optimize your agent seats, offload file storage, master canned responses, use groups, clean old tickets, and build your self-service portal. If these tips helped you maximize your free plan, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.